Sometimes, history hides in the quietest corners.
She's been sitting here for decades, waiting.
You're here for the old car?
Yes, ma'am. The red Beetle.
My husband drove it before he passed.
I'll take good care of her, I promise.
Then she's yours now.
Some stories are bought with cash, but paid with passion.
The smell of rust and time, Toledo, priceless.
Goodbye, old home. Hello, new beginning.
Back in the shop, it's time to uncover the story beneath the rust. Decades of dirt, washed away in seconds.
Inside, every inch tells a story. Dust, decay, and decades of silence.
Piece by piece, the years are stripped away.
Piece by piece, the years are stripped away.
Every detail cleaned, every memory uncovered. Morning light reveals the truth fast. The frame is worse than expected.
Every crack, every hole, mapped like a battlefield. Old steel must fall before new life can take its place.
Heat meets steel, focking. This is where rebirth begins.
Rough edges smoothed, scars polished into strength.
Steel remembers heat, just like hearts remember fire. Every restoration begins at the heart. Decades of silence drained away nefeshid, drop by drop.
Precision replaces decay for me, piece by piece.
The veins of steel trailing, ready to carry life once more.
After decades of silence, her heart beats again. A heart once forgotten.
The frame is strong again, Jay. Now it's time to make her beautiful.
Perfection begins with patience. To greet, one layer at a time. Every rebirth deserves a signature color. Shine isn't about reflection, Paffid. It's about pride.
color brings life back. Green for growth, chrome for pride.
Every part laid out to sick, waiting to return home.
Gentle hands return glass to where memories once reflected. Inside, comfort meets memory. A shot. New leather. Old soul.
Shine doesn't come from paint. Dumble, it comes from care.
Piece by piece, memory by memory, Meckler. She's whole again.
The road ahead pales, quiet, endless, and waiting.
Every curve of her body, a story reborn in steel.
Chained her. Now every mile sets her free.
Some call it restoration. I call it redemption.
Because passion never rusts.
One last check before she breathes again. Listen close, Pictorial. That's the sound of freedom waking up. From darkness to light, Regata, reborn in motion.
And with one breath, she's alive again.